In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur faces and objects in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to quickly hide sensitive details in a photo while keeping the rest of your design sharp and professional. Start by clicking on the photo you want to edit inside your Canva design. This tells Canva which image you're working on. Once it's selected, look along the top toolbar and choose Edit Photo. If Canva prompts you to switch to the new editor, go ahead and confirm. The blur tool lives there, and switching ensures all the controls you need are available. Next, we'll find the blur tool itself. On the left panel, scroll through Effects or Adjust. Depending on your version, it may be listed under an FX section. You're looking specifically for blur. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit more or use the search bar at the top of the panel and type blur. When blur opens, make sure you select brush rather than whole image. Whole image will soften the entire photo, which isn't what we want. Brush lets you paint blur only where you need it. With brush selected, adjust the settings using the sliders. Brush size controls how large your paint area is. A smaller size is great for precise edges around eyes, logos, or name tags, while a larger brush covers bigger areas faster. Intensity controls how strong the blur effect is. For privacy, a higher intensity helps make faces or sensitive details unreadable, but you can dial it back if you want a softer look. Now, paint directly on the face or object you want to hide. Click and drag your mouse, working in short strokes so you can stay accurate around edges. If you're working on tiny details, zoom in on the canvas for more control, then zoom back out to check the overall look. You can switch brush sizes as you go, using a small size for corners and a larger size for broader areas. If you blur too much or go outside the lines, don't worry. Inside the same brush panel, switch to Remove. This works like an eraser for the blur. Gently paint over the areas you want to bring back into focus, then return to the blur brush to tidy up the edges. When you're happy with the result, finalize it by clicking the back arrow or Done. Your blur is now applied to that photo in your design. Repeat the same process for any additional faces or objects you want to hide. Thanks for watching.